Hello everyone, welcome to Unit 1, Lesson 1, an answer video for Exercise 5. We will be developing an instruction set that displays your first name and your last name with a greeting. This is a special program because based on the exercise question itself, we don't require any processing, and we'll see why that is right now. So let's look at first our input. We need two values. We need your first name and the last name. Therefore, we're going to have two variables. First, it's going to be our first name. We're going to set that equal to the input. Enter your first name. And then we're going to do the exact same thing, but with last name. So we have last name is equal to input your last name. And that's all we require for our input. Unless we wanted to do something special, something like greeting, we can say enter a greeting message. Then maybe we can actually output your first name, last name, and the greeting itself. But here, we don't need to do any processing because we're going to output your first name and last name with the greeting. So we're going to say output. We're going to say print greeting, first name, and last name. Now, if we didn't have a variable that contained or had a program that had the variable greeting, then we can say hello. Might add a space there, comma, the value of the first name, and value of the last name. So a print is a multi-parametric function which allows us to print out or output multiple values. So we can give it multiple parameters and this will output each value. So if we're looking at an example execution, if first name had the value of, let's say, Mr., and let's say last name had a value of Park. And let's unbold that there. This should be lowercase l. Then if we print hello with first name and last name, this would look like hello, Mr. Park. Yeah, so for exercise 5, this is all we needed to do. It was just messing around with input and output and learning how print works with multiple parameters in its input. Thank you for watching.